So I don't know if I was clear in the last question. Here the answer is third option. The sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. And so the third option is the right answer. So I just want to make sure you heard me. Okay. So now moving to the next question. So the next question is Sarah can finish your work in 18 days and Tara can complete the same work in 15 days. Tara worked 10 days and left the job. In how many days can Sarah finish the remaining work alone? So that is our question. So what is given in the question? Here the time required for work for Sarah and Tara is given. So for Sarah, the number of days required is 18. 18 days is required. And Tara, to do the same work, she requires 15 days. Okay. So now we are given a situation where Tara worked 10 days and left the job. Now Sarah has to finish the remaining work alone. So how many days will Sarah take to finish the job is our question. So if we see here, uh, Sarah already worked, no, Tara already worked 10 days. Okay. So she worked for 10 days and the work, the speed in which or the rate in which she works is, so I mean, she takes 15 days to work, right? To complete the work. So we can multiply that 10 days with 1 by 15 to know how much work she has completed. So this on cancelling 10 and 15 we will get 2 by 3. So she, that is Tara, has worked the 2 by third of the job. This is Tara. Okay. So now what we have to find out? We have to find out the same. Now how much work is remaining? 1 minus 2 by 3. It is 1 by third of the work is remaining. So 1 by third of the work is remaining. So what we need to know is the 1 by third of the time required for Sarah to work. So the 1 by third of 18 is 6. So Sarah requires how many days to work? Now from this you must be understanding it, right? So Sarah requires 6 days to work. So we get 6 days. So the option is 1. First option is the right answer. So moving to the second question, that is 60th question. If x plus 1 by x equal to 6 and x is greater than 1, find the value of x square minus 1 by x square. So first what is given here? Here it is given that x plus x plus 1 by x is equal to 6. So we can simplify this and write x square plus 1 is equal to 6x. So this will give us an equation that is x square minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. We can easily solve this by using the formula that is x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. So here what is the b here? Here minus 6 is the b and 1 is the c, and here a is also 1. A means the coefficient of x square. So the coefficient of x square is 1 and c means the constant. Here the constant is also 1 and b means the coefficient of x. So it is minus 6. So we can easily write it in this equation. So x equal to minus b means it will be minus of minus 6. So it will be 6 only. 6 plus or minus. Now b square minus 4ac. Here 4a and c is 1. So 4 multiplied by 1. And b square it will be minus 6 the whole square. That will be 36. Now 36 minus 4. What we will get? We will get 32. So this will be root 32 and divided by 2. And 2 multiplied by a is the denominator. Here a is 1. So it will be only simply 2. So now again x is equal to here 6 plus or minus root 32. We can write root 32 as 4 multiplied with 2. And sorry, 4 multiplied with 8. So, or else we can write it as 16 multiplied by 2. Okay. So then we can take 4 outside. So here there will be 3 plus or minus 2 root 2. So this will be there will not be in the denominator there is 2. These 2 will be cancelled with 2 from 6 and also 2 from the 4. I will again write it. So what I'm saying is this will become 6 plus or minus 4 root 2 divided by 2. Now this 2 can be cancelled from 6. This will be 3 and here also it can be cancelled. This will become 2 root 2. So we got 3 plus or minus 2 root 2 as our answer. Now it is given in the question that x is greater than 1. So what we can do here is, since x is greater than 1, we can write the value of x as equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Why? If we are taking 3 minus 2 root 2, it will be less than 1. So 3 plus 2 root 2 will be our answer for x. Now with this value we have to find out the value of x square minus 1 by x square. So let's see how we are going to do that. So we got the value of x as 3 plus 2 root 2. Now applying this in this form, 3 plus 2 root 2 the whole square minus 1 by 3 plus 2 root 2 the whole square. So now how will we do this? This can be represented in the form of an algebraic identity. So a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a square will be 3 square, that is 9, and 2ab will be 2 multiplied by 2 is 4 and 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 12 root 2 will be our second term and the last term will be 2 root 2 the whole square. So 2 square is we have 4 and root 2 square will be 2. So 4 multiplied by 2 will be 8. So we will be having two constants. I mean, uh, we will be having 9 and 8. So adding 9 and 8 we will get 17. So this will be equal to 17 plus 12 root 2. Sorry, there is not enough space there, so I will write it down. Okay, so 17 plus 12 root 2. I hope this part is clear for you. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. So this again 1 by 17. Here also the same numbers only. So we will get the same result. So that is 17 plus 12 root 2. So now we got 17 plus 12 root 2 irrational number in the denominator. We have to multiply it with its conjugate number to get what? To get a number in the denominator. So or we overall to simplify this we have to multiply it with 17 minus 12 root 2. This is the conjugate of this given denominator. So on multiplying this we can apply the again the algebraic identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. So this a plus b into a minus b we get a square minus b square. So here 17 square. What is 17 square? So 17 square is, so 7 again I will write this 12 root 2. So minus 17 minus 12 root 2, and in the denominator a square is, that is 17 square is 289 and 12 root 2 the whole square will be 288. So this will give us 1 only. So the denominator will be 1, so we can easily calculate this. So 17 and minus 17 will get cancelled, plus 12 root 2 and minus 12 root 2, that will become plus. So 12 root 2 plus 12 root 2 we will get what? We will get 24 root 2 as the answer. So I hope this question is clear. So our answer is the third option, that is 24 root 2. So now moving to the 61st question, that is the third proportion the third proportion to 7 and 63 is. So the proportion means if three numbers are in proportion, that means A by B is equal to B by C. Okay. So in this same format, if we write the given numbers, that is 7 divided by 63 is equal to 63 divided by C. So this will give us C as 63 multiplied by 63 divided by 7. So 7 and 63 if we cancel it, we will get 9, and 9 multiplied by 63 we will get 5 567 as our answer. So the option 2 is our right answer. So our option 2 is our right answer. I hope this is clear. Now moving to the next question. So here 40 men can complete their work in 30 days. However, if 10 men leave the group, how many days will the group take to complete the work? So what we know? We know that in 30 days 40 men can complete the work. So the 10 members have, that is 10 men have left the group. So what, how many men are left? Only 30 men is available for work. Okay, so in first case, if we see, the work is equal to number of men multiplied by the days. So this will be the total number of work done. So the number of men in the first case is 40 and the days in which they complete the work is 30. So this will be 3 multiplied by 4, 12, and 12, 1200 units of work is done in the first case. In the second case, if we see 10 men has left, so there will be only 30 men. So from this equation we have to find out the days in which they get the work done, right? So days will be equal to what? Work by number of men. So the work is same, but the number of men has changed, right? So this will be 1200 divided by number of men present is 30 because 10 member has left, so only 30. So this will be 40. We will get the answer as 40 days. So it will take 40 days to complete the work. I hope this is clear. So 40 days, that will be our option 1 is our right answer.